This is a barbell bench press. So a couple things in terms of setup first. Bar height, we want to make sure that it's set an appropriate height where initially you've got a slight bend in the arm. That allows you to unrack the bar to get it into the starting position. The second piece is the bench. We want to line it up so that way when we're lying on our back, the barbell's directly below our eyes. Now in terms of hand position, we want to make sure that at that bottom position, we're about 25 to 30 degrees out from midline, and that's a good angle to press from. So that's going to dictate where I grab a hold of the bar. The next piece with grip is I want to start grabbing where that kind of meaty part of the thumb is. That will allow us to better load through the entire wrist. If we initially grab too high, there'll be too much wrist extension and not a good position to press from. The cues that I like to use is really drive your feet into the ground as well as push your back into the bench. So don't necessarily think press the weight up, think push your back into the bench as you press the bar up are good cues to kind of think of. When we lower the bar is actually going to touch just below sternum height, so the bar path won't be straight up and down. You'll notice that when I get into the start position, the bar path will kind of be like that. All right, so I'm going to set up here, lying on my back, feet pressed into the ground. Those shins are right below the knee. I know where my hand position is to be in that about 25-degree angle away from my midline. I'm going to grab from below first, wrap my hands and my thumb around. I'm pressing into the ground. I've got nice tension through my core. I'm going to unrack the bar so it starts in front. I can inhale on the way down, exhale as I press up. Nice tight core, glutes are engaged. I'm pushing through the ground and I'm pushing into the bench. Unrack it, nice and controlled. Come on back up. So like I said, big things are staying nice and rigid. A lot of people forget to use that leg drive and really think push your back into the bench as you press the bar up.